Hello everyone, today we are introducing the MKEKCL60R Micro Low-Speed Tabletop Refrigerated Centrifuge. This machine adopts high-efficiency environmental protection refrigeration system, high precision of temperature control, small size, space-saving, equipped with 4 unique suction cup feet, firmly gripping the placing plane, adjustable height of the feet, built-in centrifuge leveling device. Blood collection trolleys can be used on uneven floors. The centrifuge can still be adjusted to a smooth state for safer use. 5-inch color touchscreen displays operating parameters. The system is equipped with a password lock function. Prevents misuse. To adjust the parameters, tap the lower left button. There are 10 speeds. The smaller the number, the faster the speed. Tap the upper left corner of the running record logo. Via external USB port, tap to export. 1,000 sets of running data can be traced back. The machine is equipped with the number 2 horizontal rotor 4-oz 100ml square cups with 4-oz 5-oz 5ml adapters. Sample tubes are placed symmetrically in equal quantities in the holes before centrifugation. When the number of sample tubes is small, other tubes are leveled with the same amount of water. Ensure the centrifugation effect. Remove the cup adapter. Insert an 8mm spanner into the center hole of the rotor. Loosen the locking nut in an anti-clockwise direction. Remove the rotor. Place the rotor center hole vertically along the bearing. Put on the fixing washer. Tighten the nut. Reinforce the nut with a 19mm open-end spanner.